Good evening, everybody. This is Johnny Seville. This is your Acorn Stock Report Executive Summary for stock setups for Thursday, the 19th of May. Now, the Dow Jones transports have continued to be divergent. We've seen some wonderful performance, of course, off of two of our recent alerts, Canadian Pacific being one of them. And, of course, the one from last night, which was, drum roll please, and before we change, that's a horrible way to ruin a drum roll, this is consolidating beautifully under the moving average. Look at how we've gone from oscillation to oscillation into momentum, and the moving average is holding it beautiful. Okay, now, drum roll, WAB. This one looking just as good, and the money flow just shooting down. Of course, this was one of our favorite picks from last night's executive summary. So WAB closing right at the bottom of the range, under the moving averages. Dow Jones Transport doing the same kind of thing, but this one's breaking prematurely. This is exactly what we're looking for in these shorts. So there's two of them. Of course, let's not get too far in without celebrating the big win on Target. Of course, this went straight down, and I mentioned last night in Trading Room that if I saw kind of any level around 66, 67, I would be out. It obviously opened at 68 at support, traded down towards 66, 67. I got out for a terrific profit, and I think a lot of you did too. What an epic trade. This is perfect, and I hope we can find many more like this. So Target all done for the time being, and we'll continue to watch it though, of course, in Trading Room. The other retailer that's just done incredibly well is Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree just followed suit. This hasn't reported earnings yet, but the 77.50 May puts that we selected back last week on Thursday's executive summary, up from about 49 cents now to over $3.40 today. So we're looking at over 400% move in those in just a 4-day period. I hope some people were able to capitalize on that massive move. I'm holding the June puts on this, but even those were up about 100% intraday today, so not complaining. So Dollar Tree, another big celebration. Another one that I loaded up on today was HCA, of course, one of the highlights of last night's executive summary. Massive insider selling, moving averages rolling over on top, breaking through support, money flow divergent, representing almost all of the insider selling in the second highest insider selling industry, and all of it coming mostly from this company. So not sure what's going on, but I'll play along, and so far I'm in on those $80 September puts. Okay. We've got 3 new ones. I promised myself I wasn't going to give you any new ones, but I couldn't help myself. We'll come to those in a second. Let's finish the review. HXL, this one started to roll over, so that's starting to look good. Everything's looking good. I mean, but these are the ones I noted down. Chef, CHEF, obviously one of the new ones as well, heading towards the 13.11 target. And there you go, broke straight through, tested resistance from beneath, failed. This looks like signs it's heading lower. It means that basically the buying supply ran up to where resistance was. No one was having any piece of it, and they sent it straight back down. That's what that candle means, and that's why it's bearish. So Chef has got its head on the chopping block. Haha, pun intended. Anyway, Sunoco bought some puts on this one as well today. This looks like it's rolling over. Again, great money flow divergence. Just flying through these. I mean, you know it. You've been in the trading rooms. You're watching the executive summaries. You know what I'm talking about. 5 also dropping back at support now that we've got the third test. 1, 2, 3. Could be likely to break. We could see another pop to 38 tomorrow. We'll see, but this one looks like it's going to be breaching soon. BX broke down today. We're looking for a break below 26. That happened today. Money flow went straight through the floor. So BX now active. VSAT, second last one of the reviews, then we'll get to the new ones. This one's going down. Again, this was the earnings play. We're reporting next week. This looks awesome. I mean, everything's looking good. Goodyear tire. Again, I've been mentioning this every night. Just keeps performing. Making lower highs, lower lows, tagging the moving average, sent right back to where it came from. Money flow going even lower still. This should be a good year, but not because of the tires. I think I've made a joke about that every executive summary, haven't I? Whoops. I'll keep coming up with new ones, I promise you. Okay, so new ones. CENX, stock trade. I'll be looking at this as a play on the weakness in aluminum, divergent money flow. This is a breakdown from 633 to 533. I'd look at a stop loss above the 9-day moving average at 693. 60 cents of risk, $1 of reward. It's not as good as we'd like it, but I feel the moving average will be able to be lowered quickly. There you go. There's that one. Next. In fact, this will be the second one and only one. ZOES. ZOES Kitchens, big divergence in the money flow. P to E ratio from Insider Cow is estimated to be over 600 for a restaurant. I mean, unless they're cooking the cure for cancer, I don't know what would get that kind of evaluation on a restaurant. But hey, I'm not a fundamentalist. What the technicals tell me is that this could be weak. They report earnings, I believe, on May 31st, and it's just broken down through support today. Obviously, this ran up in the rally or short squeeze, I should say, a rally, in my opinion, from 24 to 40. Is now maybe breaking down, so there's about $20 of potential drop there, which on a $40 stock is half of its value. So I'd be looking at the $35 June puts, currently $1.90. And that is your executive summary for tonight. Now, lots of action, as you can tell. This will be the last time I tell you, if you're not a member of Acorn Services, you're missing out, as these videos keep indicating. If you want to try us, it's $9. That's what most brokerages charge you for a trade. So I'll trade you our picks for the next month for one trade's commissions. $9. acornwealthcorp.com/gold. You won't be disappointed. We'll see you all in the live trading room session tomorrow at 4 p.m. Pacific. Take care. See you soon.